Don't be too quick to throw away old items or things you find in the garage, as sometimes they turn out to be the most striking features of a garden. In this video, I'll share some simple solutions that will make you think, hey, I could actually do that in my own yard. Watch until the very end. The final idea demonstrates particularly well how a small detail can set the entire mood for your outdoor space. Sometimes, a flower bed can be not only beautiful, but also truly unique. This arrangement, crafted from old metal basins, transforms an ordinary lawn into a vibrant garden focal point. A small boat can become the centerpiece of a dry stream bed or a rock garden arrangement if you fill it with plants. A garden sculpture made from branches looks lighthearted and whimsical, almost as if a character has simply stepped out for a stroll along the garden path. Branches, moss, and a bit of twine. That's all it takes to create beautiful garden decor. It's simple, natural, and incredibly atmospheric. A little nook like this can easily be transformed into a charming garden photo spot. A white door, lush greenery, and a few small figurines come together to create a delicate composition that simply invites you to step closer. Bamboo, stones, and water combine to create a tranquil retreat right up against a wall. This type of fountain adds a sense of freshness and movement to the garden, evoking the atmosphere of a small tropical oasis. You don't necessarily need to buy expensive decor to spruce up your garden. A few old crates, a wooden plank, and some flowers are all it takes to transform an ordinary patch of ground into a beautiful floral display. A tiered flower bed always looks more impressive than a flat, standard one. It adds visual depth, allows for a beautiful arrangement of plants, and turns your yard into a blooming sanctuary. A wooden cart filled with pumpkins and flowers instantly infuses the garden with rustic charm. This kind of decor looks simple, vibrant, and wonderfully homey. Don't throw away your old tableware. A teapot, a teacup, and a few plants can be repurposed into delightful garden decor with genuine country charm.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel.